Imagine a world where Wall Street level algorithms are just free. No subscriptions, no credit card traps, and no hidden premium tags after 7 days. Just cold, calculated, AI-powered crypto bots, designed to make moves while you sleep, all without asking for a dime. Sounds like a scam, right? Well, it's not, because some of the most advanced crypto trading bots out there aren't run by massive hedge funds or billionaire-backed platforms. They're open source, community-driven, or just quietly brilliant, flying under the radar like ninjas in the night. And in this video, we're pulling back the curtain on 3 of them. These aren't bots that just throw spaghetti at the chart and pray it sticks. We're talking serious tech, back-testing engines, customizable strategies, AI decision-making, and auto-trading precision that feels like something out of a sci-fi flick. And yeah, they're all 100% free. Let's get into it. There's this unspoken rule in tech. If it's free, you're the product. But in the crypto world, sometimes free just means the dev was a cypherpunk with trust issues and way too much coffee. Take some of these AI bots, born from open source forums, Reddit threads, and Discord cults that sound like secret societies. And yet, the features are elite. We're talking deep back-testing on years of historical data, visual strategy builders that look like they belong in an Iron Man suit, machine learning modules that actually adapt to market conditions. One of these bots literally lets you simulate thousands of trades before you even think about touching your portfolio. Another one allows plug-and-play strategies from a global community of devs. So if you're lazy or just clueless, like me trying to assemble IKEA furniture, the bot's got your back. Now here's where most people fall for the bait. They find a flashy AI bot with free slapped on the homepage, only to realize halfway through it's actually freemium. And guess what? You can't backtest, you can't auto-trade, and you definitely can't remove that obnoxious pop-up asking you to upgrade. But the bots we're talking about today, they're different. They don't flash a Buy Pro Now banner every 5 seconds. They just work silently, powerfully, like a crypto ninja. And yes, there's a learning curve, but the communities around them are surprisingly helpful. Think of it like joining an underground hacker club where everyone's obsessed with building the perfect trading machine. No gatekeeping, just data, strategy, and maybe a few too many Elon Musk memes. Let's face it, crypto isn't a playground anymore. It's a battlefield. Retail traders are up against institutions with AI that costs more than your car. So having access to free tools that can think, learn, and trade like the big boys, that's not just nice to have. That's survival. And the fact that these AI bots are free, that's a power move, because it levels the playing field in a space that's usually tilted toward the ones with 6 screens and an espresso 4 drip. With these bots, you're not just watching charts anymore. You're letting code do the watching and the reacting. So here's the real question. Are you still manually checking candles like it's 2017? Or are you ready to hand over the wheel to a machine that doesn't blink, doesn't sleep, and doesn't second guess? Because whether you're new to crypto or you've been around since Bitcoin was worth less than a pizza, one thing is clear. AI bots are no longer the future. They're the present, and they're free if you know where to look. If you want me to dive deeper into specific bots, how to set them up, or which strategies actually work, drop it in the comments below. Smash that like button if you've ever yelled at a red candle, and subscribe if you're tired of emotional trading and want a smarter way forward. This is the AI revolution in crypto, and you're not just watching it, you're trading with it. See you in the next one.